For our side today, we are going to do
a white rice, brown rice with mushrooms, onions, and asparagus. A little bit healthier side. Goes perfect with fish, chicken, or steak.
Here is your list of ingredients. You will need 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of brown rice, a half an onion chopped, about 4 to 6 mushrooms cut, some fresh or frozen asparagus, a chicken bouillon that will make 2 cups, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter, and of course our house seasoning. Here's your list of supplies that you'll need. You'll need a boiling pot with a lid and a frying pan.
What we're going to start with is 4 cups of water to 2 cups of rice. And here I have 1 cup of brown rice, 1 cup of white rice. I like the texture of the brown rice. It's a little bit chewier. So we're going to put this all together. And I like to throw in a chicken bouillon. Really flavors your rice really well. So we're going to stir this all in. And we're going to bring this to a boil. We're going to just get it to boil. Then we're going to turn it down to the lowest heat and let it simmer for 25 minutes. While we do that, we are going to fry up our mushrooms, onions, and asparagus. Okay, now that our rice is boiling for the 25 minutes, we're going to saute our vegetables. We need just a little bit of olive oil in here. And we're going to add in, these are frozen asparagus. I cut the bottoms, I just like the tops, especially for this recipe. We're going to throw these all in. I'm going to throw in the mushrooms. Cut them all up. And lastly, the onions. And then we're going to season them with our house seasoning. As you can see, I use this a lot. We're just going to saute these till the onions are translucent. That's good. The vegetables are now sauteed, so we're going to shut this off and we're going to wait for the rice to finish. The rice is done. It's been cooking for 25 minutes. We're going to be adding our vegetables in, but before we do that, we're going to squish some lemon on top just for freshening up these vegetables for a nice fresh taste. Just stir that lemon up a little bit. Then we're going to add it to our rice. All that yummy goodness. That lemon will help scrape up some of the nice brown bits on the bottom of your pan. That's really good stuff. Don't waste that. And a tablespoon of butter. And we're just gonna fluff that all in the best you can. A fork is usually better than a spoon when it comes to rice. So we're just gonna fluff it all up. There should be lots of nice flavor in here. We're just gonna get the butter nice and melted in here. Add just a smidge bit more of our house seasoning. Top. And we're gonna serve it. Mushroom, asparagus, onions, a little bit of lemon, butter. Really, really good. Hope you enjoy it, guys.